Here guys, we have 2 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 4 minus 4. Can you solve this? This is a very interesting question. 2 plus 3 equals 5, right? Plus 4 divided by 4 minus 4. Now 5 plus 4 divided by 4 equals 1 minus 4, right? Now 5 plus 1 equals 6 minus 4, and 6 minus 4 equals 2. But this is incorrect. Why? Because division must be done before addition, right? Then subtraction. So first of all, division first, then addition, then subtraction. So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. Now let's solve this correctly. Okay. 2 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 4. So division first, right? So 2 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 4 equals 1 minus 4. Now addition and subtraction from left to right. So 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1 minus 4, and 5 plus 1, 6 minus 4, and 6 minus 4 equals 2.